Moon viewing parties, a guide to cherishing lunar beauty. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into a cultural and linguistic exploration of moon viewing parties. These gatherings, more than just social events, are steeped in tradition, beauty, and the appreciation of nature. They offer us a window into how the moon has captivated the human imagination across different cultures. So, let's dive in and discover the magic behind moon viewing parties. Moon viewing parties, known as tsukimi in Japan, are gatherings held to appreciate the beauty of the moon. These events have historical roots in many cultures, especially in East Asia, and involve various activities centered around lunar appreciation. Traditionally, they occur when the moon is at its fullest and brightest, offering a spectacular view. People come together, often outdoors, to enjoy the moon's beauty, reflecting on its significance and the passing of seasons. Moon viewing parties are rich in cultural significance. In many cultures, the moon is a symbol of purity, renewal, and the cycle of life. In Japan, tsukimi is linked to the harvest season, expressing gratitude for the bounty of the earth and the beauty of the cosmos. Similarly, other cultures have their own interpretations and rituals associated with moon viewing, often involving music, poetry, and the preparation of special foods that are believed to enhance the experience. Hosting your own moon viewing party can be a delightful way to connect with this tradition. Here are some tips. Choose the right time. Aim for a night when the moon is full or nearly full for the best experience. Create a comfortable setting. Gather in a place with a clear view of the moon, such as a garden or a balcony. Bring cushions or blankets for comfort. Prepare moon-inspired treats. Make or buy snacks that are round like the moon. Think of rice balls, cookies, or fruits. Incorporate cultural elements. Play traditional music. Read poems about the moon, or share stories that highlight the moon's beauty and significance. The moon has inspired countless works of literature and art, influencing the way languages express beauty, longing, and the passage of time. Phrases and poems about the moon often evoke a sense of wonder and reflection. In English, we talk about being over the moon to express great happiness, or describe something impossible as asking for the moon. These expressions show how deeply the moon is ingrained in our linguistic and cultural landscapes. We hope this journey into the world of moon viewing parties has illuminated not just the literal beauty of the moon, but also its profound cultural and linguistic significance. Whether you decide to host your own moon viewing party or simply take a moment to gaze up at the night sky, remember the shared human heritage that looks back at you from the silver surface of the moon. Thank you for joining us, and may your appreciation for the moon and its beauty continue to grow.